Okay, we are starting a fresh video. The last one is being uploaded and the YouTube short is being uploaded, and we're gonna keep doing this over and over until we can stop driving Uber. As far as the queues is concerned, 36 out of 40, 6 out of 10. It's been like this for a little bit. Let's see, I think 11 o'clock is gonna pick up. The whole lot is full right now, right? So there's nowhere to go. I can't even leave. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna keep you posted. I'm gonna pause, unpause while I work in the background. Right now I'm gonna focus on responding to comments and getting caught up, and then also putting up my next YouTube short. I recorded some cool, I think I did 5 YouTube shorts today, so 1 is done. I gotta do 4 more. So we're gonna get started. You don't need to watch. If you actually let me know in the comments if you want to see me do more editing and more work in the background, I'll show you. Otherwise, I kind of pause, take a break, work a little bit, unpause, and then show you what I'm working on, because I don't want to bore you. I think most people that follow me are more interested in Uber and earnings and the rides that come up and the decisions that I make. All right, another YouTube short is done. It is exporting. I'm going to upload it. And then on this one, I was talking about atheists and agnostic people. And a passenger came in my car and said they're mean. And I was like, no, they're not. I've noticed that atheist people and agnostic people are some of the nicest passengers that I have in my car. And this has nothing to do with Catholics or Muslims or Jews. There's nice Jewish people in my car. There's nice Catholics in my car. There's nice Christians in my car. And there's some nice Muslims in the car too. Muslims are different. You know, I grew up as a Muslim. I don't like to clown them too much. I have to be careful. But that's this video. It's done. I'm gonna upload it. And while it's getting finished, let's see what Uber has to offer. Oh, nothing's changed. Nothing's changed. No problem. We're gonna pause and we're gonna keep doing this. Rinse and repeat. All right. Flight landed because Uber X opened up. It's showing 36 people ahead of me. Comfort and XL is the same. So definitely a flight landed. And in the background, I've got another YouTube short uploaded, and I've got another long video uploaded. Now I'm going to take a little bit of a break and see what Uber has to offer. But so far, we've only gotten 1 package ride. Oh, this is pretty cool. Read this. There's a person, I just posted a video less than 13 minutes ago, and said, Athens Auto Body in Covina, my brother-in-law, tell them Darren Miller sent you and they will hook you up. And I just wrote this down in my notes. I will call them today, and I appreciate it, Darren Miller. Dude, that was fast. I just was talking and I was like, man, I could use some help. And right away, universe, within 15 minutes, gave me access to someone that I can talk to. I'm going to check the Yelp reviews. I'm going to be careful, but I appreciate this, Mr. Darren. And guess what? You're going to be in my video. I have to remember to tag you so you see this video. Okay, looking good, my friends. Uber XL is showing 1 out of 5, and Uber Comfort has gone down. So a flight definitely landed. The time is 10:53 in the morning. It's still morning time. I will keep you posted, and I'm just sitting back here, just taking it nice and easy, relaxing, and responding to comments. Right, here's another comment where I made $451 on New Year's Eve. I think it's a video, and 29 minutes ago somebody asked, you are welcome, can you help me drive in your area? I'm from Europe. I can't make $450 in 6 hours, not even close. So I'm going to keep doing this until we pick up a passenger. Then this video is going to get uploaded. All right, another update. It is 10:56 in the morning. My time is almost up. My turn is almost up. And but check out this next comment that I'm responding to. This person's name is Suzanne Irmenta, right? And look at what she wrote. And I'm right over here in case you want to follow along. That's where I'm reading, and then I'll read my response. Unless a passenger ride comes up, right? Hey, do you feel like being charitable? Absolutely. I've never driven for Uber before. How about teaching me how to do this? You got it. Take me from 0 to 1,000 a week. I'm not far from where you drive. A lot of time I'm in south of Banning. And my response is, my life is dedicated to helping other Uber drivers and gig workers. Uh-oh. What do you guys think? You think I'm going to take that? What do you guys think? Remember, lowball first. Lowball first, then the higher wages come. Minimum is $20 to leave the airport. That's one no on Uber Comfort, right? I'll just put an X right here, so I know I said no to Uber Comfort. That's it. I have 3 more no's on Uber Comfort, right? As long as I got 3 more no's, I'm not going to take that. And here's the second reason why we're not going to take that ride. Look. This is open right here. Hey, punk. Look. This is open right here. While this is open, I get paid more, right? If I get Uber XL for $15, $20, I'll take it. Ideally 20, right? Out here, minimum, I want to get 20, but I don't always get it. So right now, all comfort rides, I'll go in the back of the queue. I've got a parking spot. I don't have to worry. And this is why you have to have a plan B. You have to keep working on your YouTube channel. But let me read you my response, and then I think my turn is going to be here pretty soon. Basically, I was telling her my life is dedicated to helping other Uber drivers and gig workers. So yes, absolutely, I would like to help you. The best way is to watch my playlist that I have over 100 videos on one channel, and on another channel, I have around 50 videos where I'm teaching everyone everything I know about driving Uber. I also have a WhatsApp group if you're interested in joining, where other drivers are able to help you, not just me. Let me know and I'll give you the information so we can join our group. I don't know what, I think that's just a typo. And another thing, keep asking questions every day. I respond to everybody, and 100% I will help you and even meet you if you're in Banning, because in 1 week I will be there. Right now I am in Santa Clarita for another week, but next week I will be near Banning. God bless you and Happy New Year. Guys, this is why I love driving Uber. It's a job of service, and I realized that the hard way. God's got me driving and serving people in the car, but by creating a YouTube channel, I can serve thousands, if not millions of people, right? And eventually I'm hoping I can monetize and Uber will start paying me. All right, let's go over here and see what's going on. Ooh, another 11 out of 15. So that last comfort ride that popped up, that was out of sequence. That means either no drivers are taking it or somebody canceled on that person for some reason. That's what I've observed. That's what I've learned. If an Uber ride pops up and I'm not in the queue, like if I get an Uber XL ride right now, it's fine because I'm in queue. I'm 1 out of 5. I should get it. But in comfort, I'm not in queue. And if a comfort ride pops up, generally what I've noticed is somebody canceled. And how do I know that? I asked the passenger. I was like, hey, I got you right out of nowhere. Did somebody cancel on you? And they'll be like, yeah, man, I can't believe it. They didn't want to take my dog. I was like, oh my God, your dog is so cute. What's his name? Blah, 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 blah. The point is, you make it about the customer, you engage, you talk, turns into a tip. And it's just a nice thing to do. Your time goes by faster, right? Not everybody likes to talk. I always give shout out to people that always comment and are helping my YouTube channel grow. Right there, Randy. This homeboy, I don't know, he's so cool. He's one of the few that every day comments on my videos. Sometimes on both channels. Right now, he's just mainly commenting here, but I have 2 different YouTube channels and I love it. And I always respond back to him. It's almost like we're beginning to be buddies. Once in a while, he'll throw me like a kiss and I'm like, yo, bro, I'm not gay. I'm not gay. I'm letting you know I'm not gay. I like women, all right? So, but he'll clown me here and there. He's a really cool guy. I hope and pray I get to hang out with him one day. Really cool guy. And let's check Uber in the background. Not much has moved, so we're still waiting for a flight to come. The time right now is 11:03 in the morning, and I'm taking notes, my friends. I'm taking notes. Okay. Nothing has popped up. The time is going to be 11:11, which means I'm going to upload this video and start a new fresh one, because I want to start with, it's 11:11, folks. Here we go.